Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Ako po si Dwayne, kasama ko ang diwata kong kasama ngayon si Shanta. Ayun, and si Ma'am.
I'm thinking of the word, was it?
What? Kumusta?
Pwasi.
What?
You say pwasi?
Kumusta?
Kwasi?
Whatever.
What, in Thai or Filipino?
No, Filipino, like when you just introduced yourself, you said a word.
Ako si. Ako si Mama.
Ako si Mama.
Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Thailand and we're going to PP Island. PP Island. What's PP Island in Tagalog, Shanta?
Secret.
What is it, Dad? It's vagina. Bastos pala dito sa Thailand, may PP Island. Here we are, Shanta.
Hello.
Ayan, naglalakad na.
Lakad kami.
Ayan, so isang oras daw ang boat ride galing dito sa mainland papuntang PP Island. Ang isla ng PP. Sana maganda siya kasi grabe ang layo, no? Sana worth it naman.
Maganda yan.
Maganda ka din.
Yes, thank you.
Sa barko na kami, sa bangka. Barko o bangka?
Speedboat. English.
Nasabot kami. Pumunta kami ngayon sa PP Island. Ganda dito, as in. Wow. Wow. It's like our El Nido. It's like El Nido, Palawan. Oh, eh? Wow. Mahalon. Sa totoo lang, hindi masyadong maganda yung tour na to kasi sobrang daming tao. Tapos like, parang konti lang yung viewpoint natin. Oh, that's alright. Onggoy! May onggoy dun. Mga onggoy. Onggoy din ata ang nag-organize ng tour na to. Grabe, sobrang daming tao. Wala akong nakikita. Oh, tsuga! Pati yung tubig nila, super malinaw. No? What's that, Dad?
Someone did a pee-pee on the island, and that's what it smells like, and that's why they name it Pee-pee Island.
Kasi mapanghi dito, kaya PP Island.
Parang ayoko kumain.
Oh, so we're gonna eat now that we're here. Yeah, kain muna tayo. After that, we can go swimming and may markets daw dito sa island na to. Pagkatapos nito, mag-snorkeling na. Yun yung inaabangan natin. Sana yun yung best part ng tour na to. Kasi so far, palpak ang tour eh. Parang pumunta lang kami sa mga malaking bato, tapos umalis agad. Kainis. Hey, Shanta, kain na. Kain muna.
Secret Island.
Okay.
60 baht.
Anong tinitingnan mo dyan? Bebe.
Ano lang, lahat.
Hanap ako ng anniversary gift para kay Shanta. Tingnan nyo.
Nakakainis yun.
Gusto mo yan, Shanta?
Ayoko. Nakakainis.
What is this called? What is this name?
Ashtray. Ashtray, that's excited.
You don't know the name.
Yes, excited ashtray.
Yes, baby, we made it. We made it to Kai Nui No Island. Tiny little sand island with a bit of rocks. And then dun sa gilid. Ayan, Shanta. Saan tayo pupunta, bebe?
Hindi ko alam.
Grabe ka talaga ng OA talagang outfit ni Shanta. Ayaw niya sa araw. Diba, bebe?
Mahirap kaya pag 30 years old ka na kasi yung ano mo, pagkaka-wrinkles ka na mabilis-bilis.
Sa bagay na. Matanda na naman matanda si Shanta.
Oo.
Matandang Shanta.
Yes.
Matandang pabebe. Pwede kami mag-snorkeling pero parang gusto ko mag-jet ski. Parang mas masaya
Mas gusto
mag-jet
ko
ski.
sa Pilipinas kasi walang mga stores na ganyan sa island, di ba?
Totoo naman. Sa
Kasi-
Pilipinas mas maganda.
Oo
Sa
nga.
tingin nyo. Kaya bago kayo mag-abroad, ikutin nyo muna ang Pilipinas. Kasi mas maganda. Yung snorkeling doon, yung mga isla doon, mas magaling sila sa tourism, no? Like, mas maalaga sila sa tourism. Thailand is rip-off.
Thailand's cheap. It's only $8 for a cornetto.
$8 for an ice
And
cream.
25 minutes is only 10 minutes here, apparently.
Cornetto in the Philippines is about 50 cents, 20 pesos.
Sana hindi maging ganito yung Pilipinas.
How
Alam
much
mo
is
yun?
$8 in pesos?
Oh. What's $8 in pesos? 40 pesos is about $1.
All right,
No,
so
you can buy
for it-
corneto for 25 pesos.
Yeah, I know. That's what I just
So
said.
it's what, 320 pesos?
No.
For it's 32.
Yeah. Yep.
So 320 pesos for a caneto.
Yeah.
In
Yun
Thailand.
yung bayad sa corneto dito. 380 pesos, mga ganun. Grabe, no? Sobrang mahal.
No, no. You said we could sit there. Just...
So this is my review of Phuket so far. Friggin' rubbish everywhere in the water. Everything costs a frigging fortune.
And go on the beach and see where you can stand.
So too many people here, and then you know the boat is full of people, and there's no, like, the windows aren't big enough, so you can't see outside the windows. It's not that good. Philippines is better. If you're gonna go to a tropical island or go on a tropical holiday, Philippines #1. Everything's a lot cheaper, and to be honest, the islands are a lot better. Not as many people.
And you know, if you speak English, just pronounce Phuket the way you think you should, and that describes the place.
Philippines over Phuket any day. Diba, bebe?
Oo, tama.
nahulog si Papa sa jet ski niya. Grabe. Nahulog siya dahil sa mga alon. Alon, no? Alon. Oh, dahil sa mga alon, nahulog si Papa. Gawawa. Ayan, dahan-dahan na siya.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you.